Hi everybody, my name's Liron. I'm Atera's Customer Success Manager. Thank you for participating in this webinar. And we have a very interesting 30 minutes WebEx today that I will present Atera's new all-in-one MSP solution. I'll leave 10 minutes for Q&A at the end. So let's get started. Okay, this is Atera's main dashboard. Now, you can see a single dashboard. In a glance, you can view your technical IT alerts per company, ticket status, cloud applications, customer satisfaction rating from automatic surveys, backup status, and much more. Now, the whole concept of the system is a remarkable integration between RMM, ticketing, and business management, all in a single, unified, beautifully simple platform. Now, from the left to the right, there are 4 cubes which refer to the ticket status. On the right, 2 cubes which are the RMM alerts. Now, I'll show you the journey of an alert in our all-in-one system. Alert from any source is generated in the RMM environment. It can be a critical server alert, software problem, or a missed backup. Based on the alert severity, the ticket was opened. An automated process does the assignment to the expert technician. The case is being handled and the relationship with the requester starts. Now, after a while, case closed based on the support findings. An automated survey sent to the customer to rate your support service. Finally, at the end of the month, you can generate a billing report, and with the Zapier integration, you can export invoices, which includes your invested time in these tickets. Okay, let's go to the tickets view. Now from here, you know exactly what is going on, what tickets you have, how long they are in line, which is allocated to VIP customers, and you need to deal with them first, or which are getting close to an SLA violation, and then you want to clear them up first. Okay, so let me click on a ticket and dive in. Ticket 219. The following screen displays an interactive dialogue between the requester and the help desk technician. Now, I'd like to draw your attention to the upper time counter. This clock represents the amount of time your technician worked on this ticket. From this page, you can add or remove hours in the ticket work history. You can manually change ticket responsibility. Modify the ticket status and other customizable fields. In a minute, I will show you how this time will translate your daily work into money. Now, please notice the progress bar. It alerts us if we are meeting our SLA. On the other hand, we might be close to violating an SLA. Notice that this contract is assigned to a different company. In this case, the company is Ray-Ban. Well, let's click on the company name to get a full picture of all the details of the company. We landed in the Ray-Ban company account details. From this page, we can see the business information concerning our service agreement with the customer, recent tickets activities, and useful operational information. The upper section represents the customer's contract type, which can be specified with 3 types of contract: retainer, hours bank, time and material. The second part displays my reaction policy to specific events based on predefined SLA impacts. For example, if a site is down, I'll drop everything and start working on it. Or, on the other hand, if there is a question regarding Microsoft Office, I might have 4 hours to call back the customer. And once you've defined the way you want to work, the system will automatically manage it for you. For example, a high-impact ticket will go to the top of the list for you to deal with. Let's scroll down and we'll see the last tickets with this current status. Next, in the Password Manager section, you can store your entire customer passwords, such as ISP, iCloud, Gmail, and etc. And you can define multiple levels of technicians and control who can access this area. This area will both save you and your technicians a lot of time, and it will keep you well organized and up to date. The last item below is the attachment section, where you can add scanned files, network topography, rack photo, etc. On the left, you can see all company contacts. Now let's click on the first contact. From this page, we can set up the username and password for the customer login portal. Also, we define if this contact can view all tickets within his company. Now, let me show you our end customer portal. In a very quick and easy way, your customers can open a ticket in your system. And with the combination of the Control F12, your customer will log in automatically into his account. Now, he's the only seconds away from creating a ticket with a screen capture included. And once the ticket is created, it will enter into your ticket queue. Additionally, from the customer portal view, your customer can track his current or previous cases. It's all based on the enhanced alpha agent, which you can install from the RMM environment. Now I want to take you to the mobility features. In the following window, I'm simulating the mobile view. I can see my ticket status and at the bottom I can see my cases that are about to expire. Now from this point, I can access all of my tickets remotely and update them in real time. For example, I received a call to drive to my customer site. From my mobile, I can update my arrival time by click on Enter Site, fix the problem, and update the ticket with the details of what I did and update the departure time. Now this is, of course, with an option to ask your customer to sign an approval of your last work. Now we're going to talk about on how to operate an efficient, profitable business. Since we designed our software to answer the specific needs of MSPs like you, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to get all the information you need to know. Now, from your help desk technician's ongoing work up to your customer profitability measurements. In a click of a button, I can generate a report to measure my technician's efficiency. I can see the number of cases assigned, closed, reopened, their average handling ticket times, and their scores based on the survey reports. I can see that one of the technicians has a lot reopened tickets, and an in-depth look can provide me with understanding that I may need to train him on a specific product. Additionally, I can run a report to find who is the most load customer who creates the most workload. Now, we'll see how we can find if a specific customer is profitable or not. For example, let's choose Burton. The report display during a specific period of time, a detailed analysis on the profitability of your customer according to the data you've entered when you set up the system parameters such as retainer, an hourly bank, time, and materials. And based on the actual service received, for example, you will know precisely whether the rate you charge him covers your expenses. All relevant customer data presented clearly in one place. Now, I want to show you how to create a new ticket manually. Let's go to the plus sign at the top. First, we need to choose the contact person. Type the ticket title. And we can choose the technician that will work on the ticket. In addition, we can define the ticket priority, impact, and its type if it's a bug problem or question. In the product family we chose, if the case is related to firewall, antivirus, Office, and etc. The last thing to do is to fill in the description of the case and then click on Save. Now from there, the new ticket will wait in your queue. Well, we covered most of the things in the ticketing section. I would like to take you to the RMM environment. Using our RMM platform, you can effortlessly monitor and manage your client sites, set up a thresholds profiles, IT automation profiles, monitor SNMP or generic devices. With a single click, you can initiate remote control sessions using our integrated VNC or RDP. That doesn't require to install a VPN or open firewall ports. Using the RMM dashboard, you're fully aware to the endpoint's condition. This technology is based on agents which can be implemented in Microsoft operating system. To install the agent on remote PCs, you need to download it from the Tools and Actions. Once you reached this part, you have three options: to run a single agent installation, multiple agent installation, and to use the logon script. Sites with approximately 20 stations, let me recommend you choose the second option. Just add the domain name, username, and password, and you are seconds away to push the installation over the network. And within 3 to 5 minutes, all agents will be located on their predefined company. Each agent or device is colored by its severity, which you can fully customize in your threshold profile. Now, please notice that you can monitor unlimited devices, servers, and laptops. RMMM includes Run Remote Scripts, Microsoft Patch Management, Network Assessment, Microsoft Licensing Status, and Hardware Warranty. Each alert can be fired to several recipients at one time. You can even adjust the time frame to receive these alerts. Well, we've covered the PSA and the RMM parts in our software. I would like to show you our dashboard for Data Shield, which is our online backup solution. Now from here, you can see the status of your clients. If backup didn't complete, you can drill down to the error and to explore what the problem is and to solve it. To add new client at one of your companies, you need to click on Add Client and choose the installation name, which is the license name. Next is to assign the client to a company. Then you can define the quota for that client. If the client ID you need to type the client name, such as Exchange 2013. After that, you downloaded the online backup client and finished the quick installation. Now from the client console, you can define the data types. You want to back up. In the Settings tab Schedule, you can set up several backup tasks per day. You can run the backup manually or to wait to the next cycle. Back to the online backup setting, you can define how your daily reports will be displayed. You can set the headline, the subject, when to send the report, and to where. That's it. I would like to draw your attention to Atera's referral program. For every friend or colleague you brought to the system, you can get one user free for a month. Well, we covered most of the things. It's time for questions in the chat.